If you are looking how to create an Instagram page to build an affiliate marketing business with almost lifetime content to reach thousands and thousands of followers and buyers, while you schedule and automatize all the business for free to make potentially $3,500 every single month, you can't miss out this video. Even if it doesn't matter if you can use Clickbank, you can be paid worldwide through PayPal using the brand new affiliate marketplace which arrives here to the US, Digistore24. Come on! Let's start this tutorial. The first thing before going to Instagram is select your niche and the product that you're going to promote, because this is going to determine how you are going to create your page, what kind of images you are going to post, and the type of audience that you are going to target. In this video, I'm going to cover the wealth and entrepreneurship niche, one of those which is going to last forever. People always need money and ways to make it. In the Digistore24 marketplace, you are going to type here John Cristani, and you will find this product, Work at Home Secrets and the Internet Jet Set, one that I explained to you in my last video about Digistore24, a product which you can promote to different types of people interested in creating a side income working from home. This has a great demand on these days. They start to pay $1 in the first month, and later on $40 each month for 2 years, earning you $35 each time they pay. Your goal is make $3,500 every month passively by finding 100 potential customers of this product using the strategy that I will show you on Instagram. If you still prefer Clickbank for your affiliate marketing business, you go to the marketplace, type 12-minute affiliate, and you will find this product, which allows you to earn $23 or $48 each month passively, or almost $200 or $400 one time. This depends on what things your customer will prefer. With 100 people inside this product, you can potentially make between $2,300 and $4,800 every month. Once you select your product, you click here in Promote to get your affiliate link. And what you're going to do right now is this. Go to Bit.ly and create a free account to make shorter your links and customize them. This will increase the amount of clicks in your affiliate link. You click here in Create, paste your long and for sure ugly affiliate link, and you will get a shorter link. But you need to be creative and do something like this. Make money from home. This affiliate link is for sure more professional and better to make more money. Once you understand these things, now we can start with the actual step-by-step to create this Instagram page for affiliate marketing. Our goal in this example is create a motivational business page like these big players, which reach literally millions and millions of people. Traffic that you can monetize to make even a full-time living. You can imagine that? Living the good life thanks to Instagram affiliate marketing, working from home, and every time you leave the house you find something like this.
Hey, more of you moved in. Yeah, private property, trespassing.
Come on, dude, this is going to be awesome. Step number 1, create your Instagram account. This is something very straightforward, but I will give you some tips here. Your username is that which recognizes you on Instagram, and the full name will be the name of your page, or you can use it to describe in 2 or 3 words your page. For these things, use words which are searchable and SEO friendly, like business, millionaire, entrepreneur, money, wealth, mindset. Come up with the name and the username using a combination of these words. Once you do that, you need to create your bio and paste here your affiliate link. It's the only place where you can do it for now. I will give you an example like this one. Stay motivated, building streams of income, making the money work for you. This video reveals the secret. And in the page, the affiliate link will be below this message. Step number 2, create a logo and the content for your page. This is how you are going to make breathe and living to your page. Without this, you don't have a page. You have a ghost on Instagram. Look, my friend, you have 2 options here. 1. Go to canva.com and apply for a free or professional plan and design the content yourself. This takes a lot of time, especially if you want to grow faster by posting at least 4 posts per day. You need to design 28 new posts every single week. You can do it, sure. You have in the description 2 tutorials of how you can do it. But if you're smart, you will choose something like this one. for only $5. $5. You will have in 2 days 5,000 images that fit with the goal of your page. In other words, if you make the math, posting 4 times per day without missing anyone, you will have content for almost 3.5 years. Come on, even these pages don't reach this amount of images and they have already millions of followers. But if you pay $15, you can have your logo in the images, plus some surprises to create something powerful for your business. Branding. In simple words, the key to make people pay 10 times more with minimal effort. It will be a great investment. You can also ask for 1,000 videos for your page to have even more original content for your page. If you're looking to outsource the creation of your logo, you can do it too. It's your choice. Have lifetime content for your business for less than one pizza night with Netflix, or put hours and hours on Canva or Photoshop. It's your choice, buddy. Step number 3. Do your hashtag research. Hashtags still being important to gain exposure, reach more people, and eventually gain more followers. Look what you're going to do. Personally, I use Metrics to find hashtags for my Instagram page. It's completely free. You type here keywords and words related to your content, and this tool will give you some ideas of hashtags, like these examples that you see right now. Your work is collect and save at least 252 hashtags and create 28 lists of 9 different hashtags each one. Why? If you will post 4 times per day for maximum growth for the 7 days of the week, you have 28 posts and you use 9 hashtags for every post. You will need 252 hashtags to avoid repeat hashtags often. With this method, you repeat your hashtags just 1 time per week to avoid the shadow ban. Another way to find those hashtags is by typing them in the search bar, and the Instagram algorithm itself will give you ideas of top hashtags that it is recommending to the users. Remember, 252 hashtags and you are ready to go. Step number 4. Switch to an Instagram business page. In order to do what I will show you in the step number 5, you need to change your Instagram page from personal to business. It's something really simple. The only thing you need to do is create a basic Facebook page and connect one each other. You will have available some advanced metrics and analytics per post to analyze your performance. You have a video in the description if you want a detailed explanation about this simple process, which are going to allow you to do the most powerful thing. Step number 5. Schedule all your content for free with the Instagram Creator Studio. Using the Instagram Creator Studio, which Facebook gives you for free, you don't need any expensive social media tool to schedule your posts. Not anymore. You can do it completely for free. Pay attention now. You go here to create posts and you decide if you will publish in your feed or some video in IGTV. And here you start. Upload the image. Select places if you want to target some specific country or city. And here you write your description, which I recommend you. This needs to have some type of call to action to visit your page to gain followers. And below, let the people know about the offer that you promote. Of course, don't do this with an spammy message. No, please. Write something short that can trigger the curiosity of your potential customers to make them click once they go to your page. And below you paste one of the 28 different lists of hashtags that you should have ready to use. And finally, select the moment when you want to publish your post or video. As simple as that. There is no secret. You repeat this process 28 times and you will have automatically your content outside, regardless of what you do in the rest of the week. Hey guys, slow down. Yes, I can see you in that awesome Caribbean trip. But first you need to figure out how to grow like a beast and reach 10k followers to have the swipe up feature to skyrocket your business and make it even more passive. The number 1 recommendation is completed. You have this on track. Post consistently, at the most 4 times per day. So don't worry. The number 2 is engage in the platform. Instagram is a social media. So in the beginning you need to do an extra work in order to find your first followers. You can go to pages like this, and comment as soon as possible some insightful comments to grab the attention from the beginning. So you will find how people read the comment. They like it, they visit your page, and some of them are going to follow you. Do this in accounts related to your topic and at least 10 times per day for maximum results. You can also make friends with accounts similar to you and mention it one each other in their stories and reposting their content. The first step to create a network of small influencers to gain even more exposure with their audiences. The number 3 is to start watching your analytics once you reach 100 followers to understand and analyze where is your audience, cities and countries, the most common gender, what time they are more active so you can post at those moments to reach them more easily. Analyzing these metrics will be key for your success. Data is everything in the affiliate marketing game. The number 4 is create as much engagement as you possibly can to make to the Instagram algorithm to show your content to people which doesn't know you and increase the reach to your actual followers. Everything organically. The most powerful tool to do this is with the Instagram stories and direct messages, DMs. At least once per day you need to create some kind of poll or something that call to participate and give opinions. Like, what do you think about this quote of Steve Jobs? Are you agreeing? Where is your favorite entrepreneur? What do you think is the best online business model? You need to make people to interact with your page and your brand as much as you possibly can. You can also use DMs to interact with your followers, not to sell them, please, not to sell them. This is for help them and to ask them about doubts and problems that they have and help them for free. You will see this way is powerful to create an army or fans which are willing to die for you. And the last step, the number 5, is optional. Try to use an Instagram growth tool. And no. This is not about bots and fake followers. Those days are gone. And I don't want to recommend you expensive garbage like that. I'm talking about something like Uplift, a service tool which helps you to grow your Instagram account. You sign up and try the tool for free, and they will give you a personal account manager dedicated to grow your account. It's something easy to use, another way to outsource your work to create a real audience and boost your engagement. So you can dedicate more time to the most important thing, the affiliate marketing business itself. It's important to know that they don't and they can't promise a super specific amount of growth. This is something unpredictable while looking for real people to follow you. But if you post with consistency, something that you already do, your chances of growth can skyrocket, of course. How you can scale up even more this business for even $100,000 per year and beyond? Whoa, that is an interesting question.
Show me.
Once you reach 10k followers and you get constant traffic to your page, you can do some sponsorship and sell shoutouts. But come on, the real deal is here. Create an email list using a sales funnel. My favorite is BuilderUp. You have all the tools that you will need at the best price in the market. By owning the contact of your followers with their email, you can contact them whenever you want and increase your revenue to even potentially $10,000 per month. How? Selling high-ticket products like Commission Hero on Clickbank or the Super Affiliate System on Digistore24 to earn between $300 and $500 with just one sale. Make 20 or 30 sales per month and you are earning more than a lawyer here in the United States. It's something incredible, my friend. The things that you can do in this golden age. Like these two well-known entrepreneurs, they received their degrees after becoming billionaires. That is the proof that you don't need that degree to be successful. Come on, make the money chase you.